Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to see how you can change visibility of your playlists.
Also, do check out the YouTube Launch Playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step by step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description.
So, similar to videos which have visibility modes like public, private, unlisted, I already done one video on this. How what are the modes and how you can switch between the modes. Playlists also have similar modes. So these are the playlists which I have prepared for my channel. So if I just go to one and select on edit, you can see the privacy set as public over here, and you can see there are three modes of visibility. First is public. That means anyone can search for and view on the whole internet. Unlisted means anyone with the link can view. That means anyone to whom you have shared the playlist. This is especially useful when you have uploaded some personal videos and you want to share it with friends and family. This mode is particularly useful. And the third one is private, which is only you can view. So simply selecting over here and clicking on save will change the visibility mode from public to unlisted. Now I'll refresh it and you can see it has been updated to unlisted, right? So this is the simplest way in which you can update. The other way is you can go to YouTube Studio, right? The same thing goes over here. Options. Uh, you can see over here there are the visibility is all public, right? If I click on edit, you can change the visibility from here as well. Just update it and click on save. And the third one is via YouTube mobile app. It's the same way. You have to go on edit for any playlist you want to update the visibility mode for and click on save. So these are the three ways in which you can update the visibility modes of any YouTube playlist you have. In case of any queries, do drop in the comment section and subscribe to our channel YouTube with Saave.